Hi guys, welcome back on my channel. Dorota International nail artist and educator here. And today I have prepared a very pretty look for you. That's an Aurora chrome mirror. You can have a preview of it in here. Absolutely amazing, like those kind of frosty nails. And I hope you really enjoy learning this tutorial. So let's start. I will start showing you from the zoom results because it's so pretty, so delicate and like frost painted. The idea came from the car window and I'm going to show you a few different options. So here I've got a clear tip and I'm just applying a high shine no wipe top gel on the entire tip. Okay, just apply it in and we are going to give it a 60 seconds cure to our tip. On this one, I'm going to straight away go into the painting. And guys, we've got the set of those amazing brushes. They come like with the ombre brushes and the flower shape brushes. And I think it is fantastic. And what I'm going to do it is I will take a drop of the paint gel. Just a slightest drop I've got in here. And then add some white gel into that. So grab the white and mix it really well. So this way we will create a very, very pale blue, like extremely pale blue. And I wanted to do it in different colors as well, because Aurora will look different on different color. So on this one, we are not going to do anything. So we will just go straight into the painting. I have picked up that, and then with the one move of the brush, we are going to paint some frozen look. Just go like this, and change the angles of the brush. It looks absolutely fantastic, really easy and pretty designs. Okay, that's it, ready. Let's give it a cure. Now chromes don't stick in well into products with with the inhibition layer, but I will show you the look of it on those kind of products as well. So now here I've got the pink one, and the pink one I've got always ready mixed. The blue, the light blue, I always have ready mixed as well in a salon because it's the most popular one. So again, one stroke of the brush. I'm kind of even twisting those brush, thanks cameraman, because I want to have a different results. If you look in the windows when the frost paint over them, see, like that is absolutely amazing for the flower petals. I love this brush because it's so quick and can give a really interesting looks. Okay, let's cook this one. And on that one, we will go, I don't know what we will go. Let's cook those ones and leave this one for a second. I've got already one half made because I got addicted to, I got really addicted to it. Okay, this one is fully top coated, so we can get the full chrome look. I'm just going to dab it in and do a full chromey look. Just so we've got a different ideas, guys. So we can full chrome it. And then we can paint it on top of it. So I'm going to have some pink. I'm going to paint it as smaller ones now. So smaller one, you just press lighter. go this way. And then something on the top. Let's do it with the blue, so we will have one mixed completely. Wow, it looks pretty just like this. Absolutely amazing. Okay, and then let's cure it. A bit of fury, so this chrome will stick to high shine no wipe top gel after curing it 60 seconds. For the paint gels, because it doesn't give the same effect, I'm double curing, so even 120 seconds, guys. That's why I was cooking those tips so long. Okay, and the first one is cooked, so that was this blue one. I'm just dipping in my finger and I'm rubbing this chrome in. And you can see it, what an amazing results we've gotten here. Clean the excess, absolutely pretty. Now we have to top coat it to protect our design. So I'm just grabbing a top coat and protecting everything. Then give it a cure. I have also made one in here and I will just tell you what I did. So I have done full chrome and then white petal shape with paint on French and a drop of the top coat. Just to make it even, check it like how this one will turn out. And I'm just rubbing it in. So we can see it, those kind of frosty look in there. And always when we chrome it, we have to top coat it, otherwise it will come off. Okay, so I'm just top coating this one. And Aurora, this pigment stays on absolutely amazing. I'm always checking how the chrome stays in. If I can brush it really hard with the dust brush and it doesn't come off, that means it's less likely to come off from client nails. So that's a good tip for you guys as well. Now we can chrome it this one too. And it looks fantastic over pink too. It has different shade. So just chrome it this one. Clean it really well, top coat it. And then give it a cure. There we are. And I'm so curious about this one because we've got two colors. We've got also a chromey background. So I think that's my look absolutely amazing. And it does, you can also see the difference on this one in between oh gosh, my nails, in between the chrome part done on the high shine. So that's the shiny place. And then chrome done on the gels with inhibition layer. You can see the difference, like they are kind of more frosty look and this one is a more chromy look. But the combination of them both look absolutely amazing. So I'm just going to protect everything with the top coat. And I like it, this one just the way it is already. Okay, this one is ready for a last step. This one is ready for a last step. And this one is ready for the last step. So we are going to grab our G-liner brush. So the shape-wise, guys, because this brush is, sorry, I'm jumping from subject to subject. These brushes come in different shapes. So for these designs, I have used the one which is shorter, medium, and then the longer. Then there is one which is like this, and the one which is like this. So I have used this one, and I think that's my favorite one. But anyway, let's do the next part. So we are going to close our chrome. If you don't have Aurora pigment, guys, you have to go to our website, which is www.dorotapalicka.com, and grab those chrome. Like, it's absolutely amazing. That's my favorite one. I'm picking up those blue, and now I'm just searching some places where I could add some dimension to it. So I want something in here. I want something in there, and then thin line in here. You basically just playing a Mother Nature and creating your frosted look by adding one strokes of the brush, just like this. So I got addicted, guys. I could create it like probably hundreds designs using this technique because I think they are absolutely amazing. So I'm searching those empty spaces here. We don't want too much of them left. We can easily fill them up with just those wheel lines. And as you can see it, I'm pressing harder and then lighter. Pressing harder and lighter, go in there. Okay, Dorota, that's plenty maybe. That's plenty. So we've got some blue one and then sugar. Sprinkle it in. And again, sugar will look different on different colors. And cook it. Next one. So on this one, I'm going to go white and blue. Gosh, I'm so messy. Sorry, guys. I just need to clean my hand. Don't want to have too much product all over me. But I've got some blue. So in here, I've got some blue and I need to fish it away. Now, there are some lines in here. I don't want to hide those lines. So I'm just going to do it in between those lines. Press it harder and then lighter. Harder and lighter. So I've got kind of dirty white. Another one. And another one. Here I could do a swirly bit. And another swirly bit. And another one. Go opposite direction. Swirly bit in here. And I have also cleaned my white gel, which is awesome. Cure it. No, don't cure it. Sprinkle, then cure it. So sprinkle it. And then this one. So here we are going to go white just to lighten up this one. Press hard and light. Hard and light. And guys, this is the easiest way to paint some sort of nice designs. There we are. Something in there. And in here, then follow this line. Place bits and pieces there. Go in between those empty space. And sometimes you ask me, do I plan those designs? No, I don't. So I don't know where I'm going to place it. I'm just searching those empty spaces. And you can see it. I'm just filling them up. I like the bottom. I love the bottom so much. So I'm not going to hide it. We want this to stay so pretty. So just wee touches for a balance. Then something in here and in there. And ta-da! Another frosted look. Sprinkle it. Honestly, they are so much fun to do it. And you cannot go wrong. You cannot go wrong with these designs. Sprinkle. And then let's start taking them out. So the blue one is ready. I'm just going to close my product. Dust brush to remove it. So the chrome is top coated, the sugar isn't, and we've got those frozen look. I love this blue one, and I'm going to place it here. We've got another one. Of course we do have another one. This one is so pretty. How could I forget the nicest one? Okay, I'm going to clean my brush just because I've got a little bit too much product at the base of the brush, not the tip, but at the base of the brush. And if you've got too much product, the brush doesn't bend as nice. See, now I can paint it much thinner line. So keep that in mind, guys. If you do feel it like your brush doesn't behave nice, you might just have a little bit too much product in there. Really quick. Something in here. 1, 2, 3. For the balance on the opposite side. And then let's do some swirls here and there. Okay, that's plenty, so we don't hide this pretty design. And the connection of the sugar and Aurora looks absolutely fantastic. I would be happy to wear those frozen nails on myself. This one is ready as well. That one actually turned it out really nice. So we've got 3, 4, 5 in a matters of minutes, guys. Like, honestly, in a matters of minutes. I quite like this one as well. It's different. So let's place it here. And then our last one. Remove the excess of it, and then I can show you all 5 of them. They are one nicer than the other, and depending how you look at it, it looks different, and that's what I love about it. Absolutely amazing frozen set. I'm sending you glittery hugs, and bye for now.